Introducing exactAIS GeoSpatial Web Services, providing satellite AIS data on demand. Web services are essentially questions and answers over the internet, so that you only get back the data you ask for. These services can be reused and made openly available to allow for interactive use. Examples of common web services include a weather forecast or completing an insurance quote online. exactEarth's GeoSpatial Web Services return location data and respond in the form of a map. So web services can be characterized as available over the internet using a standardized messaging system, or XML. They're not limited to any one operating system or programming language, and they're found via a simple find, search, filter mechanism. exactEarth is proud that our geospatial web services are certified by the Open Geospatial Consortium, or OGC. This means that customers can use their existing systems, whether it be a system like Esri or Google Earth, to immediately start viewing our exactAIS data. So remember, web services are responses to your requests over the web, either with a picture or a data return. The consumer asks a question to our web service, and we answer the question in the format of their choice. Let's look at an example. We'll use a blank web page to demonstrate how the web service retrieves the answer to a result for which cargo vessels are traveling faster than 20 knots. First, we copy the Web Map Service filter into the address bar and ensure we add in the proper parameters to meet the request. These parameters include the service type, the viewing output or how you want the image displayed, as well as vessel type to look for only cargo ships, and vessel speed of faster than 20 knots. Once these filters are in place, we press Enter and we'll instantly see the response. The picture now shows all of the cargo ships currently moving faster than 20 knots. Next, we can simply change a filter to make a new request to our service. We'll change the vessel speed from 20 knots to 10 while keeping the other parameters the same. This will prompt the service to show all of the cargo vessels moving faster than 10 knots. exactAIS GeoSpatial Web Services are easily integrated into many existing GIS platforms. Here we will walk through demonstrations in Esri ArcMap version 10.1, Google Earth version 7.0.2, and Gaia version 3.4.2. Here in Esri, you can see that as we click to different vessels, the attributes in the left change with each ship. Same thing in Google Earth as we look at the attributes of the retriever. And also in Gaia, as we zoom in to take a look at the Vigilant. Please note that the next demonstrations will be shown in ShipView, a platform built here at exactEarth strictly for demonstration purposes only. Next, we'll show some more in-depth examples of the possibilities with exactAIS GeoSpatial Web Services. First, we'll add the latest vessel information, or LVI layer. This shows the last reported message for all ships picked up by our ExactView system. We can then zoom in and click on any one of the ships to find out more information. Here's the Minerva Zinnia, a tanker flagged from Greece, traveling along at 11 knots. We can also create additional layers like we have here to filter the ships by type. Ships now appear color-coded according to ship type. Green is for cargo ships, blue is for tankers, and turquoise is for fishing boats. We've also created a layer to filter ships by speed, represented with vector lines. The longer the line, the faster the vessel is traveling, and vice versa for shorter lines. We can see this vessel, the Tista Spirit, is traveling along at 13.4 knots. If we click on a vessel with a very short line, like the Tai Hung Sen, we can see this vessel is moving at only 1.6 knots. We've also loaded in some custom layers, like this one to show only passenger vessels. Here we find the cruise ship Norwegian Epic, and we can see it's headed to the Caribbean island of Saint Martin. Now let's take a look at the cargo ship filter. As we can see, there are a lot more cargo ships in the area compared to passenger vessels. As we zoom out, we can see even more, including the Maersk Davenport, a Liberian-flagged cargo vessel with a destination in Spain. We're also able to search for any ship by either the name, MMSI, IMO number, or call sign. We're going to look for the British Mallard. We've spotted the vessel outside Papua New Guinea. By opening up its track history, we're able to look back at the British Mallard's journey over the last 15 days. Now we can see its starting point was in Brisbane, Australia. We can also click any point in time along the journey to find out more information. This helps to build a better and more accurate picture of the Mallard's voyage, as we can see points at which the vessel may have sped up or slowed down. Next, we'll show how to add a custom layer. We can create a filter by choosing from a number of attributes, including heading or speed over ground. We're going to look for vessels that are traveling less than 5 knots. As we discover, there are quite a few vessels around the globe traversing at less than 5 knots. We'll zoom in now to find out more information about one of the vessels, the Jodas Revolution, who is traveling at only 0.1 knots. We can also see on the attribute legend under Status, the vessel is listed as having restricted maneuverability, which is obviously factoring into its current speed. As you've seen, dynamic vessel information is now at your fingertips with exactAIS GeoSpatial Web Services. exactAIS data can be immediately consumed and displayed in any OGC-compliant geospatial system, allowing for current ship information to be available on request, with no new platform purchases required. Data is easily integrated with other geospatial datasets and allows users to receive data on demand. We've shown how, with quick and easy customized filters, users can receive instant data responses based on geography, time, and AIS message attributes. Never before has exactAIS data been so readily accessible. For more information, please visit our website at www.exactEarth.com.